Hi, this is Richard Quek here. Welcome to another session of my video. In today's session, I would like to talk about personal development, and the topic is, what do you value most of all? Alright, now what is valuable to you? It's a very important question that I'm asking here. What is most valuable to you? Alright, to most people, the higher the value, the more they value the things. Isn't it true? Okay, example, if you have an expensive mobile phone, you pay a lot of money for it, you value it, right? On the same, example, if you buy a new computer, you pay a lot of money for it, well, it is very, very valuable to you, more valuable than the mobile phone, that's for sure, alright? What about a car? If you buy a car, you pay a lot of money for the expensive car, you value it more than the computer, right? And if you buy a house, right, a very expensive house, it is valuable and you are going to value it more. Isn't it true? That is natural, right? You value things that are of value. Isn't it true, alright? Okay, let's take a car for example, alright? Now, if you paid 100,000 ringgit for a car, alright? You paid 100,000 ringgit for a car, you definitely value it, and what will you do? You won't just leave the car unattended to and so on, alright? You take good care of the car, alright? You maintain it. When the time comes for servicing, you maintain it. You wash it, you even polish the car. Isn't it true? We will do whatever that is possible, to take care of the things that are valuable to us, right? Now, the truth is that things that are free are the most valuable. Do you agree or not? Things that are free are more valuable than the car, the houses that you paid for. Alright? Now, let's look at your family. Alright? Your family, your children, they are free, right? You don't pay for them. Alright? But they are more valuable than the car and the houses. Don't you agree so? Alright? Now, we get our perception wrong. We think the car is more valuable than our family or even our children, alright? What about your health? Well, your health, you get it for free, right? You'll be given the body to have the health, but most of us, because it is free, we don't take care of it, alright? Compared to the car, you take care of the car, but your health, you don't really take care of it. What about the air and the water? The air we breathe and the water we drink, it is also free. That's the problem. When it's free, we don't take care of it, but it is the most valuable of all. Alright? So, remember this, whatever is free is more valuable than the things that you paid for. Because what you pay for, you can always replace it. Alright? What is free, you can never replace it. Remember this, it is so important to understand this, okay? Now, we must get our priority right, that's for sure. Alright? From today onwards, what I want you to do is understand this concept and value what you are taking for granted. Okay, the things that are free to you, don't take it for granted. Okay, now don't take for granted your family and the children because it is free. Don't take for granted the relationship with your close friends. Don't take for granted the help that you have with you. All right, it is free, right? But don't take it for granted, because if you don't have good health, well, you can't perform well, right? You cannot do things that you are supposed to do to make you successful. All right, what about nature? All right, we got to take care of nature because it's free. The air, the water, the environment, the beautiful surrounding and so on. So basically, when it is free, we sometimes take it for granted, right? So remember this, next time you look at your children, you look at your spouse, value them, because it is free, no doubt, but then it is the most valuable because it can never be replaced. Okay? Things that we paid for can be replaced. Don't you think so? If you pay for a car and if the car is, damaged or, beyond repair, alright, you can always buy a new car. It can be replaced. Things that you pay for, you can replace. But the things that we got for free cannot be replaced. Your good health, if you don't take care of it because it's free, you don't take care of it, once you get sick, well, you can't replace it. The family that you have, alright, you have to take care of it, nurture them, love them, take care of them. Just because it's free, you don't take care of it, then you're going to lose it. Once you lose it, then There's no replacement, my friend. Understand? So what I'm trying to tell you here is that, what do you value the most of all in your life? Alright? You got to change your perception from today onwards. I know most of us, we value all the things that we pay for, right? The house, the car, and the land, whatever it is, But the truth is that those that you pay with money, you can always replace them. Alright? But what you got for free can never be replaced. Alright? So, from today onward, please take care of the things that are given to you free of charge. Alright? Especially your family, your children, your health, the water that you drink. Alright? The environment, the air that you breathe. Take care of it. Don't pollute it. Alright? Because at the end of the day, you're going to suffer, and your next generation is going to suffer. Because why? You are giving it for free. You should take care of it more, in fact. When it's given to you for free, you should value it and take good care of it, because it can never be replaced, my friend. Okay? So that's all my sharing for this evening. I hope that you learned something here. Alright? It is very important to get your perception right about this. Okay? If you like what you hear and see, please feel free to like, to share, and to comment, and also to subscribe to my channel and to follow me as well if you are on YouTube. Okay, so I thank you for your time that you spend with me here. I appreciate you very much for your time here, and I will see you tomorrow again with another session of my video. All right, so with that, I'll say good night and goodbye.